Judge, Tabatari, I know there are quite a number here. You can say a word and then you introduce the rest. In a minute, please. Yes.
Prime Cabinet Secretary, Mr. Chancellor, sir, CSS, PSS, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I'm not too sure I saw any other judge, but if there's a judge here, please stand up. As I suspected, there's none, except myself. Greetings from the Chief Justice who sent me here to represent her. I'm very happy she chose me. I doubt anyone would have wanted to miss that speech. Number one. Number two, I have the position of lead judge in technology adoption in the judiciary. So all these things that we do, I'm waking up at 3 in the morning because the system downside. So the conversation around AI has hit my heart, like when you were young and trying to get saved in church because some preacher has come and has hit your heart. Let me make a commitment, therefore, that on the AI conversation, please involve the judiciary. We are Africa's leader now with regard to uptake of technology. And we have delegations from across Africa coming to see what we are doing around technology. Working with the University of Nairobi, I am certain we shall get to go to much, much higher levels. Number two, the question of leadership and the center. Again, involve us in this. We in the judiciary are assumed to be characters who sit somewhere up there, issue judgments, sentence people to death, as if we are not leaders. We are leaders because we are a whole arm of government. If we don't get training into leadership in the judiciary, we shall have a whole arm left out there, led by people who themselves don't know where they're going. So if we can have a role and a part in the leadership center, I'm sure the judiciary of Kenya will continue leading even in that area. And very lastly, as G34/5334/87, who entered the University of Nairobi on the 15th of July, 1987, and left on the 29th of October, 1990, I can speak with authority and say, we should be the leaders at every sector because we are the University of Nairobi. This afternoon, we hosted all the universities in Kenya, their deans and lecturers and students. And we committed to partner with them, and the Dean of the University of Nairobi is here, on moot courts, mentorship, and we as judges of the Supreme Court committed to have a lecture circuit starting this September across the country at every law school for the foreseeable future to encourage, mentor our young to be like Martha Koome, or indeed myself. Good evening.
Mesikia kutoka mwenyewe, and Your Excellency, I can confirm, because last year in November I was taken for 2 weeks in that Harvard school where my friend went, and I can be able to confirm that it is a wonderful place. I don't mind again going back when it comes to Nairobi. So, Your Excellency, with your permission, sir, Vice Chancellor, can you...
CS, Honorable Cabinet Secretary is present. My job is to introduce council members. They are here. I'm just a chair, so I can't shoulder blames alone. We have a council. So, on that note, may I introduce council members. The first one is Joe Kibe. He's a council member, a prominent businessman. We have
on STEM, which is what you have been pushing for. It's all part of the AI to try and strengthen our capacity there. I am delighted to note that the University of Nairobi is one of our institutions of higher learning that will benefit from this investment. This will certainly buttress the Chancellor's agenda and bring this institution to the pinnacle of innovation and entrepreneurship. I envisage a university that will nurture the entrepreneurial spirit among our students and faculty. Further, it will incubate groundbreaking ideas that will transform industries, drive economic growth, and contribute to social transformation. Professor Van Coyen has assured me that he will work with the university administration to draw on our existing faculty talent and attract further top talent from around the world to study and conduct research at the University of Nairobi. We expect that the university will bring together the brightest minds from diverse backgrounds who will enrich our academic environment and enhance Kenya's competitiveness in higher education and research. I encourage the university to lead the charge in equipping students with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complexities of international relations by fostering a deep understanding of global issues and encouraging active participation in international dialogue. We can prepare our youth to be effective ambassadors of Kenya. Such training and mentoring will contribute meaningfully to the advancement of our nation on the world stage. Our expectations are particularly high about the future role of the University of Nairobi in developing expanded research partnerships with other leading international institutions. Such strategic collaboration will enhance its research capabilities, access cutting-edge resources, and foster collaboration on groundbreaking research projects that address national, regional, and global challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, at the heart of our continent's development is leadership. I am also confident that we can look at the university as an institution that will continue to contribute to the next generation of African leaders. Our students need to be equipped with the skills, knowledge, and mindset needed to lead with integrity, vision, and impact. With the Big Five initiatives, this institution will be well placed to nurture ethical leadership and empower individuals to drive positive change in their communities and beyond. Looking ahead, university leaders and faculty bear the profound responsibility of nurturing the next generation of visionaries and trailblazers. It is not enough to impart academic knowledge. You must also cultivate leadership skills that will empower our students to lead with integrity and a sense of purpose. All our academic institutions must be breeding grounds for individuals who are not only academically proficient, but also equipped to navigate the complexities of our rapidly evolving world. It is my hope that the Chancellor's bold new initiatives will inspire and empower the entire university community to reach new heights of achievements, setting a new standard of excellence that will be recognized and celebrated on the global stage. In particular, I challenge the University of Nairobi to mold champions of our national interests and global ambassadors who will ensure that Kenya's voice is strong and influential in the international arena. I may just pause here to say that one of the things I'll also be reaching out to you and to the academia is that we have never quite documented Kenya's foreign policy appropriately. We have had bits and pieces, attempts